BG3 Modding Guide. Baldursgate 3. Hello! Welcome to the modding guide for Baldursgate 3. In this guide, I will show you how to install mods on PC and share my recommendations for the best mods. You will find a step-by-step walkthrough for installing native mods and instructions on how to change the settings. This guide will be very helpful if you are new to Baldursgate 3 or if you want to know how I set up my mods. As we know, there are thousands of mods available, and Larian Studios announced that they surpassed 15 million downloads in just 1 month since patch 7 was released. This is pretty incredible to me, and it suggests that great things are ahead. So, let's begin. Part 1. Play BG3 like a true RPG with the WASD mod. As you may have heard, I once said that I wouldn't start playing BG3 if it didn't have WASD movement. While this might have changed, I still highly recommend the WASD mod to anyone who wants to play BG3. It's truly game-changing and offers a whole new experience. This is how the game should be played in my opinion. First, the WASD mod is a native mod and doesn't require a mod manager. We'll discuss InGame Mod Manager in the next part. Visit the WASD mod page on nexusmods.com, you'll find all the links in the descriptions, by the way. Download the mod and unzip it. We also need the native mod loader, which is a requirement, so don't panic. Download the native mod loader and unzip the file as well. Now, simply move them to the game folder as instructed. Here are the detailed steps. Step 1. Open BG3's game bin folder. For example, mine is located at d:/steam/common/baldursgate3/bin. The file path is straightforward to find. It's located in your Steam Apps directory. If you're having trouble locating it, simply right-click on BG3 in Steam, choose Manage, and then browse local files. This will lead you to the BG3 game folder. From the native mod loader folder, copy both bing2w64 DLL and bing2w64_original.dll to this bin folder. Now the native mod loader is installed. Step 2. From the WASD folder, move the entire native mods folder to BG3's bin folder. It should look like this. d:/steam/common/baldursgate3/native mods/. Inside this folder, you should see two files, bg3wasd.dll and bg3wasd.toml. Step 3. From the WASD folder, copy sdl2.dll to BG3's bin folder. That's it. Congratulations, you're done. Now we just need to customize it through the BG3 WASD.toml configuration file. Open this file, and there's only one key thing you need to know. The insert key can be used to toggle between walking and running for your character. I use this hotkey quite often when recording. Optionally, you can also change the walk speed below. Since we are using the WASD mod, another native mod is highly recommended. They complement each other well. If the WASD mod is the husband, then the native camera tweaks mod is the wife. If that makes sense. Step 4. Install the native camera tweaks mod. Download and unzip it. Copy both native camera tweaks.dll and native camera tweaks.toml to BG3's bin/native mods folder, using the same file path as before. Once they are placed in this folder, all installations are complete. Congratulations again! However, customization is recommended for the best experience. Open the native camera tweaks.toml file to change some parameters. For my setup, I adjusted keyboard camera rotation multiple to 0.8, mouse camera rotation multiple to 0.8, mouse pitch multiple to 0.5, and mouse zoom multiple to 0.8. You can modify these settings based on your mouse sensitivity. You can see the results live. meaning you don't need to close BG3.exe every time you make a change. Another setting you can adjust is the combat camera pitch angle. In the Combat Pitch section, set Combat Unlock Pitch to True, then set Combat Unlocked Pitch Max to 80.0 and Combat Unlocked Pitch Min to -60.0. These are my personal preferences, but feel free to adjust them to your liking or leave the file at its default settings. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Now you've successfully installed the WASD mod and native camera tweaks, along with native mod loader as a dependency. These two mods are the best ones to start your BG3 journey. I hope you have fun. And I almost forgot to mention, since they are native mods, they don't affect your game saves if you remove them. So no worries. Part 2, In-Game Mod Manager. Most mods are non-native mods, so where can we find them? Fortunately, we have an in-game mod manager available after patch 7. Before patch 7, we could only use Nexus's Vortex or other tools as mod managers. However, now we can manage mods without third-party tools. We don't need Mod Fixer or Script Extender anymore. Open BG3, and you'll find the mod manager in the main menu. Enter it, and there you can search for and install the mods you like. You can enable or disable mods by ticking the checkbox next to each mod. Just a heads up, removing or disabling some mods might affect your existing saves. Even if the mods are gone, removed from your machine, they can still impact your game. For example, I installed an XP mod thinking it would be a good try, but when I uninstalled it, the mod got stuck in the game and affected new games. Even after removing profile data from my PC, it was still there. I had to uninstall BG3 on Steam and reinstall it. So be cautious with the mods in the mod manager. Part 3, Managing Mods. As I mentioned before, you can remove or disable mods through the in-game mod manager menu. But did you know you can also uninstall mods by simply removing them from your user data folder? The mods you download and install through the in-game mod manager can be found at c:\users/appdata/local/laezel studios/baldursgate3/mods. Just open this folder and remove the files you don't need. Additionally, you can download mods from other platforms like nexusmods.com. Simply place the mods pack file in this folder, then enable the mod in the in-game mod manager. This is how I install most mods, by the way. Danger zone. Sometimes, you may find that mods can cause bugs that damage your game saves. If that happens, you can remove the mod settings.lsx file located in appdata/local/laezel studios/baldursgate3/player profiles/public. After deleting this file, relaunch the game, and it will regenerate the file for you. Be sure to enable the mods again afterward. Just a reminder, your game saves are located in the same parent folder, so be careful not to delete them accidentally. Part 4, What mods am I using and what are my recommendations? As we wrap up this guide, I want to share some insights into the mods I'm currently using and my recommendations for enhancing your Baldur's Gate 3 experience. My current mod list. I've curated a selection of mods that I believe significantly improve gameplay and add depth to the game. You can find a detailed list of these mods on my blog, where I provide descriptions and reasons for each choice. Here are a few highlights. 1. WASD Movement Mod. As discussed earlier, this mod transforms the way you navigate the game world, making it feel more like a traditional RPG. 2. Native Camera Tweaks. This mod allows for greater control over the camera, enhancing both exploration and combat experiences. 3. Aether's Immersive UI. If you want to make the screen more like I do, then this mod is a must-have. It transforms the user interface into a more engaging and visually appealing experience. The Party Portrait version is particularly recommended for its intuitive design. 5. Battlemancy. This mod brings us a fun and chaotic element to gameplay with the ability to summon smoke powder barrels. It's a delightful addition for those who enjoy a bit of unpredictability or just become maidenless. 6. Sit on the ground. It adds a simple yet immersive feature that lets players sit anywhere, enhancing role-playing elements. It's surprising this isn't part of the base game. LOL. 7. Owlbear egg dice. Lucky 7, lucky 7. I think owlbear cub is best thing ever in BG3. So I recommend this mod to those who love owlbear cub except goblins. It's truly a charming aesthetic mod that adds a unique touch to your dice, making each roll a delightful experience. Remember, while mods can greatly enhance your gaming experience, they can also introduce bugs or affect game stability. Always back up your game saves before installing new mods, and read descriptions before using. When it's first playthrough, just use native mods, don't use any non-native mods. For a complete list of the mods I use and further recommendations, please visit my blog. I hope you find these mods as enjoyable and transformative as I have. Please leave a like and subscribe. Happy modding! And thanks for watching.